I like having parties with friends and family, but decorating is always a challenge. Then I ran across Aurora Superstars. These stars are durable and can be used outside. They display big and fold flat to store really small. They're a beautiful decorative accent during the day and give off a subtle warm glow at night. You can get really creative with them too. Have painting parties, create your own starlight art and share it with your friends. Then light them up to see the creations come to life. The real secret I love about these is that they're not actually paper, but designed with high durability plastic, which lasts a long time even through ice and snow. Best decoration ever. Using them is easy. Insert your LED light wand, then connect the sides together and clasp them in place. If your star uses a battery pack, insert the pack into the star or hang the star from the battery pack depending on how you plan to display them. You can hang your stars using string, fishing wire, or the power cord if needed. The other thing I love about these stars is the variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. 5-point starlights are great for patriotic holidays and parties, and you can mix it up with 7-point stars for additional style. Bethlehem starlights are great for Christmas and Easter, and Moravian starlights can be used for any holiday or event to create beautiful scenes. With so many design options and an easy way to store them, Aurora Superstar lights have become my favorite decoration for events and entertaining.